can you now briefly outline the discouraged acts during fasting during the month of Ramadan?
The acts which are discouraged during fasting can be divided into three categories. The first is acts that are discouraged, which are contrary to the sunnah of fasting. Number two, acts which are discouraged during the month of Ramadan, which are otherwise also prohibited. Number three, the other acts which are discouraged during the month of Ramadan.
Dr. Zakir, could you just mention the acts which are discouraged, which are contrary to the sunnah of fasting?
The acts which are discouraged and contrary to the sunnah, besides the ones we said should be recommended, I won't repeat that. It's just the opposite. It is a person should not say the niyyah aloud while fasting. The niyyah, it should not be said aloud. Number two is a person should not eat excessively during iftar or in the night. Number three, a person should not get angry. Point number four is that people read the Taraweeh very fast. They rush through the Taraweeh. And point number five is people socialize during i'tikaf.